Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to enable smart highlighting in Notepad++. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Notepad++. And now from here guys, you will have here settings on the top of the screen, and you will have a pop-up and you should be able to see here preferences. So select this one. And now from here, you will have multiple options. So just simply select highlighting. And from here, guys, you will have smart highlighting. So just simply enable this one. And you will have other options as well. So just simply check things based on your preferences. And once you are done, you can just simply select close. And you should be able to have a smart highlighting enabled on these settings. There we go. See ya.